Yeah, now we can start, Sahitya.
Yes, Karthikeya, thank you. Good evening, everyone. A heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you joining us this beautiful Sunday evening. Myself, Moray Venkata Sahitya, and it's my absolute pleasure to be your host for today's power packed and insightful webinar on exploring Zoho Books, proudly presented by Informative Garage team. But wait, can anyone from the audience guess what's the special on today? Like, what significance of today? What's the significance of today? Can anyone guess? Anyone from the audience? Yes, today not only this webinar, but today is a very special occasion. It's Father's Day. Yes, a day dedicated to guiding lights in our lives. Just like today is a special day, today Informative Garage is in front of us for presenting and guiding us in this navigating journey. Whether you are a chartered accountant or a student or a seasoned professional or budding entrepreneur, smart let's dive into this to know the smarter ways to manage your books. Trust me, there's something big for every one of us. And to take us to this exciting journey, we are honored to have today with us the dynamic leader and a dynamic speaker, CA Kunal Kumar Garu, the visionary founder of Digital Accounting Club, a name that stands tall for innovation, simplicity, expertise in tech driven finance solutions. We welcome you on behalf of the entire Informative Garage team, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much for this nice introduction.
To mention something more interesting about sir, I would like to mention that CA Kunal Kumar Garu is a Zoho Books certified advisor and partner at TK and Company, New Delhi. With over 5 years of expertise in digital accounting, he has helped numerous businesses transition from traditional systems like Tally to Zoho Books. A regular ICI speaker and trainer, Kunal sir is known for simplifying automation, GST compliance, and whatnot. Sir is a multi-talented personality, and today we are very happy to have you here, sir. Over to you for the session.
Thank you very much, Sahitya, for this introduction. And today we are going to learn about Zoho Books from very basic, and we will learn why we should learn Zoho Books and what is happening in our accounting industry. I think a lot of you, all of us are from accounting background, taxation background. So why, it's been, if I talk about India, Tele is very much famous. But if we talk about Tele in international market like US, UK, or maybe Middle East, so if we want to become global, so we need to equip ourselves with this cloud-based accounting software, whether it is a Zoho Books, whether it is a QuickBooks or Zero. But today our session is primarily relating to Zoho Books. So if we want to become global accounting leader, we should know Zoho Books, and there are a lot of global opportunities. I hope you all are aware about there are a lot of shortage of accountant and tax consultant, not only in India, but also in US market also. Okay. And there are a lot of freelancing jobs which you can do remotely from here. You don't have to go to US nowadays. Everything is available right now. We are doing this meeting over a Google Meet. So everything is available. We just need to equip ourselves with all these digital tools, and if we can do that, definitely India is our biggest market and we can serve, and everyone is doing it. And even if you know recent news about like PM Modi and all, everyone is saying to do export of accounting services. Everyone is promoting us to do export of accounting services. So it's just we need to take a first step. We need to equip ourselves. We need to learn all these digital tools like Zoho Books, Google Drive, QuickBooks, and all other things, whichever required in this international market, we need to equip ourselves. So today we'll be learning about this Zoho Books, and maybe a lot of you didn't know what is this Zoho is. For a lot of people, this is maybe a new platform. But if you can understand Tally, then it's very easy for us. It's not a rocket science. It's very easy to understand accounting software. If you can manage Tally, then you can easily manage Zoho Books as well. So before moving into Zoho Books also, I'll just give you a quick introduction of Zoho also. Okay, what is this Zoho is and how this company is helping people each and every organization in this world. So Zoho is a cloud-based platform where they have multiple products. Like if you go to Zoho website, they have multiple products in each and every category. If you talk about sales, we have the sales, the CRM, begin, sign, forms, booking, and all those things. If you talk about marketing, if you want to send bulk emails, Zoho campaign is there. If you want to conduct a program offline or like event, then each and every area they have product. But since we are finance professional, we are from accounting and taxation industry, finance industry, so these products are relevant for us. If we talk about in Zoho, that is Zoho Books, Zoho Payroll, Zoho Expense, all these products are very much useful, and we should know how to manage all these tools. Okay, so first today we will go into Zoho Books. We'll have quick insights how to manage this, how to set up an account, and then we will be taking all your questions. And as Satya said, you will be getting one bonus of from my side, from people who will be engaging today, will be doing will be staying till the end. Okay, that is a surprise gift from us. And today we are going into this Zoho Books part. So anyone have worked on this Zoho Books? Yes, anyone earlier worked on this Zoho Books or have any idea, or maybe using in CA firm? Anyone would like to share something? Yes, I work on Zoho, sir. Is some text GST is saying yes. Soumya is saying yes, you have worked. So now people are shifting is, and why people are shifting, I'll tell you. Because a lot of young entrepreneurs, they want simple solution. Okay, they want simple solution. That is the reason Zoho Books is there, and this is simple to use accounting software. Even if you are from non-commerce background, you can do that, and it can be. I'm just sharing my screen. I hope you can see my screen now. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So once you go into this Google and just type Zoho Books, you can see this kind of screen. It's a cloud-based accounting software. You have this intuitive UI. Okay, we all know how we manage Tele. Like right now, Tele Prime is there, but it is quite intuitive. And the best part is you get global opportunities. Okay, and I always show to my students and people who are associated with, if you don't know about the freelancing website, I hope you know about this Upwork website. Yes or no? Anyone aware about this Upwork kind of website from where we can get freelancing work? Yes or no? Are you aware about these kind of website from where we can get freelancing work and we can do work from anywhere? Yes. So if we register ourselves there and we search for jobs relating to Zoho Books, or maybe let's say I go to this website and search job relating to Zoho Books. So let me show you that. Okay, just search for jobs relating to Zoho Books and see there are multiple kind of jobs. Like recently 12 hours ago someone posted they need Zoho Books accountant, or maybe, and if you click here, that can be possible this job is there for India or maybe not. You can search for most companies looking for freelancer to connect solar companies in USA. So you can search what they are asking for, what kind of experience or skill you need. You can check that, and you can earn $5, $10, $20, $50. It totally depends how much experience you have. Like right now, again, this job is not for India, so there are multiple kind of opportunities. Okay, you can go there and check. Like $55 they are asking for Zoho Books reconciliation and uploading bank statement. So you should know why we are learning it. That is, then only we get motivation to do all this. And because it's not about learning, it's all about earning also. Why we should learn this? Because this will help us in earning in dollars. Yes, you can see this company is looking for some Zoho Books setup consultant, and they are ready to pay $25. Okay, and this company is from a remote job. You don't have to go anywhere. So you get multiple opportunities if you learn Zoho Books, and that is the reason people are doing it and learning it. And there is a lot of shortage of accountant, of people who know Zoho Books. So now let's move into Zoho Books. Once you set up an account, I'll share one link with all of you so that you can set up an account on Zoho Books. It's very simple. Go to Zoho Books website or just type Zoho Books and then set up an account, set up your account in Zoho Books. And it's free. for people who are having turnover up to rupees 25 lakh. And as a student, if you want to learn, you can create your free account. Go there and create your account. Okay. So if you want, I can share that link with you. Let me know if you want that link. Okay. If you want that link, I can share that link with you. Just a second. You can create your free Zoho Books account. Do you want me to share that link? Just a second. Okay. Just a second. Let me share that link with you. Yes, I'm sharing that link. Zoho Books, create free account. So you can create free account on this portal. I've shared a link with you in chat box. You can go and set up your free account, because you will learn once you implement it. It's not like just I'm showing it. Just create an account, do things step by step, because accounting, taxation is all about doing, not it's all about doing. If you take a step, if you click on this login button, just go to this portal, set up an account. If it is asking for company name, fill your name as a company name, provide your email ID. If it is asking for company's email ID, provide your own mobile number. You can set up your free account there. Okay. And after setting up your free account, what is our next step to go into inside of the Zoho Books? Let me show you that. Okay. Just a second. Yes. So once you set up your account, you will be getting this kind of screen. And once you set up your account, you are into inside of this Zoho Books. If it is asking for GST number, you can skip that GST part. Okay. So you don't require to put GST detail. I hope you can see my screen of Zoho Books screen right now. Right now, I'm into dashboard of Zoho Books. Can you see my Zoho Books dashboard screen? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So once you are into the Zoho Books dashboard screen, you can see this left hand side. There are multiple things like home, items, banking, sale, purchase, accountant, reports. All these details are there. And in right hand side, you can see your profile is set up. Okay. Setting button is there. It's very simple to use. Okay. How we will do, I'll take you step by step into each and everything. Okay. We'll go into each and every step, like how to manage it, how to record sale, how to record purchase, how to record bills, how to do banking, each and everything. Okay. All right. So now you can see this complete dashboard there. First, you can see total receivables, total payable. That is the first part of any bookkeeping and accounting. You should know whatever amount you have to recover from your debtors. You should know how much amount you need to pay to your vendors. That is the first thing. As a business owner, I would like to see on my dashboard. So I'll see what is my total receivable. I can see what is my total payable, my debtors and creditors. I can see on my dashboard. Further, I can see my cash flow. What is my opening cash? What is cash coming in? What is cash going out? How much cash I have left at the end of the year? Then I can also have this kind of graph. Okay, like income expenditure month by month. What are my top expenses? Okay, I can also keep some account in my account watch list. And then this is the thing. And best part is you can also download mobile application of this Zoho Books. Okay. Just download this mobile application so that you can manage from anywhere, anytime. And after checking this dashboard, first you need to set up your account. First part is go to settings and set up your profile. You need to set up your profile. Like I have set it, you can see, just a second, I can open one more account over here. Just a second. Yeah. I'll open one more account. Just give me a second. Yes. So again, now I hope you can see my screen again. Okay. So this is the account, and go to settings part. Again, I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yeah. So go to your
Yes,
profile
yes.
part, set up your organization name, put your name as an organization name for practice, for learning purpose. put any industry, if you are working in any particular industry, just put that particular industry name. Okay, organization, location, address, put your website. So this is the first step when you set up your account. This is the first step when you set up your account, set up your profile. Okay, set up your profile, and after setting up your profile, set up your taxes part. Taxes mainly about GST. You need to fill all the details of GST. You need to do GST settings. Okay, you need to provide turn on GST button if you are registered into GST. And I hope you all know, if our turnover is up to rupees, if more than 40 lakh in case of goods and 20 lakh in case of services, then we need to take GST registration, and you need to provide that GST number, and you need to configure all these settings like GST username and password and everything. So once you set up your GST detail, your account is set up. Although there are further lot of things to set up, but initially all these two details like setting up your profile, setting up your taxes, that is the first thing you need to do. I hope I'm clear about all the things till this point. Yes. So after setting up, all these details are there in left hand side. First of all is item. What is item here? Item means product like goods or services in which you are dealing. Okay, let's say if you are selling an iPhone, you can provide iPhone as an item. If you are dealing in services, like I am chartered accountant, so I am dealing in services. So what kind of services I am doing? Like I'm providing auditing services, tax consultation services, financial planning services. So I'll be adding all those items in which I am dealing. Okay, so I can add any item so that you get an idea how to add an item. So let's say I am providing accounting services or bookkeeping services. Okay, so just accounting services I'm providing to my client in India or maybe US. So I'll add accounting services as my service name. Then SKU is not required. It is required in case you are dealing in goods or physical item. Units again not required. Then is a SAC code. I hope you all know SAC code, like in GST. What is there are two things. One is HSN code and another one is SAC code. If you deal in goods, then you need to provide HSN code. If you are dealing in services, then you need to provide SAC code. Yes. So how you can do that? You can just search here and search what kind of services you are doing. Maybe you will get an item. Yes, I can see my SAC code is there. It's 6-digit SAC code number. Just fill it and then scroll down. Like how I'll be charging 15,000 a month. This is a standard sale price. Obviously, I can change when I create my invoice, but standard sales invoice amount is 15,000. I can turn off this purchase item and then I'll hit on save. If you can do, I suggest you to do with me right now. Okay, because I don't believe in quantity, I believe in quality. So even if you can create one or two items, any one item right now, so I'll see, yes, you are doing it, you are understanding it. Okay, so anyone created account right now, or anyone facing problem in creating an account? And I hope if you can do it, just do right now if possible, because I believe in practical learning. It's not about learning. If you can implement here right now, then do it. Okay, if it is possible, then do it right now, or maybe you can do later. Okay, if it is not possible for you to do right now, maybe you can do later. Yes, any question till this point? Yes, what we did, we have created this, just a second, let me open that screen once again. Yes. So I hope you are clear how we create an items. Similarly, we can create item for goods also. Okay, let's say I'm selling iPhone. Okay, so it's a good iPhone 15, and SKU I can add, or unit I can add. It's in pieces, so I'll be adding pieces. HSN code, I'll go and search for mobile or something. Mobile. Okay, mobile phone. I can see this is a best match. So I'll select this right now, and let's say I'm selling iPhone 15 at I'm just putting any random figure, 60,000, and I'm buying it for 40,000. So I'll add my sale and purchase information. And if I want to track my inventory in my accounts, so I'll click on this track inventory. Otherwise, I'll just turn it off. If I want to track my inventory, I will turn it on, and then I'll hit on save button. Yes. Do you think it's easy to manage to create an item? I know you have a question in your mind, like if I have 100 items, 1000 items, so will we be adding one by one, or will there be any shortcut? What do you think? If we have 100 items, 50 items, or 1000 items, how we will do that? We will go to this setting button, and there we can click on import items, and we can import 100 item, 1000 item, everything in bulk. Yes, is it amazing? Yes. Yeah. So after adding items, I'll be adding my items in which I'm dealing in. I'll be adding 5, 6, 10 items or 100 items as per my business requirement. And after adding item, you can see there is an inventory adjustment option. That inventory adjustment option is when we find some gap in physical inventory, or maybe in our books inventory, like in our books, 100 iPhones are there, but in our physical verification, when we go for audit or physical checking, 90 iPhones are there. So we'll do inventory adjustment entry. Okay, so inventory adjustment entry is the difference between physical items and items in our book. Right now you can see only 2 inventory items. I can expand it. How I can expand it? Because I have not configured my inventory things right now. I can do that, but I don't want to confuse you right now, so let's make it simple for now, and then we will talk about advanced things. Okay, so once we set up our inventory, then it is a banking part. It is a banking part. Yes, I hope you can see banking part. Yes. Okay, so how it is different from Tally? Can anyone tell me like how you manage banking, or how you do record banking if you are managing in Tally, or if you are working in CA firm? How do you do accounting? Like you get bank statement in your email or PDF file. How do you get that? Can anyone would like to tell? Like how do you manage banking, or how do you get how do you record banking? Anyone would like to share? We will import Excel into Tally, right? Okay. You get Excel, and then Excel you import into Tally. You usually using Easy Excel to Tally. Okay. So what if I tell you you can directly integrate your bank account, where you can directly integrate your bank account into your accounting software, and all bank statement feeds, like all bank statement will be coming here automatically. You don't have to do anything. Don't you think it is amazing? Yes, every month or every day your bank is connected with your accounting software. Like you can see, if I click on this banking part and then I click on this add bank part, okay, so you can see all multiple banks are here: Standard Chartered, HSBC, Kotak Mahindra, Yes Bank. So we can directly connect our bank account, and this is happening in India, but in if you talk about in US market, you can connect a lot of things. You can reduce lot of manual tasks. So what will be benefit? You will be asking, what will be the benefit of connecting our accounting software with our bank account? So let's see if I connect my HSBC account. So I can pay directly to my vendors bill in one shot, or maybe individually or in bulk. I don't have to go to net banking portal every time. Like if we have payment cycle of 15th of every month or 10th of every month, then we can pay directly vendors bill in bulk through our Zoho Books. We can directly pay GST amount from Zoho Books without switching platform. We can fetch a bank statement. We can see real-time transaction. Even we can make cross-border payment directly to international vendors. You can even pay international vendors directly from Zoho Books. You don't have to go anywhere. Don't you think if every day bank statement coming automatically, don't you think it will reduce your 10-20% task? What you do every day or maybe every month, you are importing bank statement every month. Don't you think it will save your time? Don't you think if you will pay your vendors directly from Zoho Books, it will again save your 5 to 10% time? Don't you think if you will pay directly to your vendors, directly you pay your GST from Zoho Books, it will again save your 5 to 10% time? Yes. And what if Zoho Books will also pass journal entries for all those transactions? Yes. So these are the benefits. If you talk about, if you integrate your bank account, these are the partners bank. But in case your bank account you can't import, and if it is you are facing some error in importing bank statement or like connecting bank, you can also integrate credit card also. So there is a feature you can integrate credit card also. And if you want to add bank manually, you can do that. Click on add bank and you can manually add your bank account. And after adding manually bank account, you can import manually also. Like you can see import statement feature, you can import PDF file, Excel file, CSV file, any kind of file like which is given here, CSV, TSV, Excel, or you can import manual bank statement as well. Okay. Is it? I hope you are clear till this point and you are enjoying this session. Yes. I hope you are clear till this point. Yes, just type clear in chat box if you are clear. Just type clear in chat box. Yes, I can see Khushi, Anjana, Rinki, Dhruv, Bhavna, Khushi, you all are typing clear. Yes, 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 I can see that. All right. So now move to next part. After this, creating an item, after setting up our bank account, what we will be doing, we will be recording our first invoice. Okay. But before recording our first invoice, I hope you can see. Can you show once again how to import bank statement? Yes, definitely. It's very simple. One thing you can do, you can directly connect your bank account. That is the best part you can do. Connect your bank account directly. Okay. You can also see automatic bank feed supported bank. There is a ICIC, SDFC, SBI. Okay. So just click on connect now. Just follow the instructions, whatever instructions are given. These are some bank feed service provider Yodlee. Just follow all the instructions. Once you follow all these instructions, you can connect your bank account. But in case that is not working, you want to do it manually, click on add account. Okay, once you add all the details, let me show you. Let's say I'm adding my SBI bank. Okay, SBI bank 4455. Okay, currency India, account number. You can, all these information are not mandatory, but you can fill that obviously. Right now I'm skipping it because it is not mandatory. Only red star part is mandatory. So I'll just hit on save. Once I hit on save, you can see import. Just click on import. Once you click on import, drag PDF file here and it's done. Okay, drag your PDF file or something, Excel file. There is a download sample format also given. Just follow the instruction and you can import. Is it clear? After that, what you can do, you need to come to the sales part. Here you can add all the sales part, like this is a complete sales flow we call. Here you can add customer, quotation, delivery challan, invoice, payment links, payment received, recurring invoices, and credit note. Customer means debtors, in which we are like all our customers, and it's very simple to add customers here. Just click on new customer, provide customer name. Let's say we are dealing with PQR Private Limited. Okay, so we'll add one customer here. I'll show you how to add it. It's very simple. So just add PQR Private Limited, provide email address. If your customer is registered under GST, provide GST registration number. Okay, you need to provide GST registration number, and this will fetch all taxpayer detail. If it is unregistered, if your customer is not registered, you don't have any GST number available, you can select unregistered or consumer. If your customer is like in US or any other country, then you can select overseas. Okay, if you are dealing with composition customer, you can select composition. So it's very quickly available. You can see and just follow the instruction and just scroll down, and you can add further details like address, contact person. If you want to create some custom field, like you want to have customer ID, KYC document, reporting tag, we will talk later. Okay, so once you do, you just click on save button and that's it. I've added my first customer. And then you can see comment part, transaction part, mails part, statement part. You want to generate customer statement, you can see that. Yes. So this is the way to add customers. Even if you want to add bulk customer, there is an option. You can click on import, click on import customer and continue. and then you can import all your customers in Excel file in one go. Let's say you have 1,000 customer, 500 customer, maybe you are migrating data from Tele to Zoho Books. You can get such kind of assignments or maybe such kind of work where you are migrating Tele data into Zoho Books. Then you can import all your customers in one go. Yes. So after creating a customer, let's say I've created one customer, you can see already 3 4 customers, random customers are there. You can send quotes are what? Quotes are estimate quotations. Okay, because first client will be asking you quotations and everything, so you can send quotes, and it's very simple to create quote. You can go there, just click customer name. Let's say I'll select it PQR name. You can fill quotation date, quotation expiry date, what items, for like someone is coming and asking for quotation for accounting services. Okay, like PQR client is coming to me and asking for quotation, so I have created today's quotation, accounting services. I have given quotation of rupees, let's say any price. I'm just giving random amount 25,000. Okay, so 25,000, I have created a quotation. If you want to include GST, you can do that. If you want to exclude or want to change rate, you can do that also. So let's say I'll add 18% GST. Scroll down, click on save as draft, and mark as sent. Now you can see quotation is ready. We don't, sometimes people what do, I've seen in CA industry or in CA firms also, they use different accounting tool or maybe word file or something like that to create a quotation, and then they create invoice in Tally. But you can do everything here. You don't have to use multiple platform for multiple things. Okay, if we are doing complete accounting, we can do that. You can go to quotation here. You can see now quotation status is sent. Okay, if my quotation is approved, okay, so I can see yes, my quotation is accepted. If my quotation is rejected, I can select quotation is declined. If I want to, okay, if it is declined, if it is accepted, it is accepted. Yes. So after that, you can create delivery challan if you are dealing in physical item, but right now I'm giving you example of service industry. Okay, so after quotation, if my quotation is accepted, what will be my next step? I'll convert that invoice, convert this quotation into invoice. So what I'll do, I'll just click on convert to invoice and save as draft, and you can see in one go I have created my quotation into invoice. Now my quotation is converted into invoice, and go to your invoice part, and you can see invoice is created. I hope you are understanding it, and I hope I'm not going very fast. Yes, I hope you all are able to grab. Is it clear? Just type clear in chat box. If you can understand, you can learn whatever I'm showing right now. Yes, I can see you all are typing clear. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. It's understandable. Yes, Tejasvi clear. Yes, it's clear. Yogesh, Lahiri, yes, everyone. Karthikeya clear. Yeah. So now we have created our first invoice in the Zoho Books. You can see journal entries are coming automatically. Once your invoice is ready, you can see automatic journal. And as an accountant, we are not passing any entry. And Zoho is handling your technical part, or you can say accounting entry part. Yes. So you can see automatically account receivable is debit, sales is credit, output SGST credit, output CGST credit, everything is going right. Yeah. So once invoice is created, you can record what you can set up. You can record the payment. To record the payment, what you need to do, you need to go to your bank statement and you need to verify from when this payment is coming up, and you need to match with that payment. Okay, in your bank account, this same amount will be hitting. Okay, maybe same day or maybe after a few days, I have created this invoice for rupees 25,000 plus GST 29,500. If you want to include TDS, TCS, you can also do that. Like I know my TDS will be deducted under section 194J, so I'll be selecting 194J, so I can do that. And if I click on save, again you can see journal entry will be passed. Now this time TDS receivable also debited. Yes. All right. So now if I want to send this invoice to my client, How you do it? You download this invoice, then you open your Gmail account, and then you upload there, and then you send. And for reminder, also again you search that email, and again you send that email. You don't have to do multiple things. Just click here, send email, send email to your client, and this is professionally designed email. Yes or no? You can also attach payment links and all those details. Your client can click on pay now and simply pay you. Don't you think it is amazing? By just clicking your send now, your client will receive an email. And if we want to give reminder, we can do that from same place. Just click on reminder, send email, and reminder is coming up. Sir, your invoice is due. It's been this, and you can see reminder is ready. Yes. And you can also set up multiple reminders. You can also set up multiple reminders if you want, like reminder automatic, what we call automation, what we call AI. This is automatic reminder after 0 days. I can do that after reminder 1 after 3 days, reminder 2 after 7 days, reminder 3 after 15 days. You can set up all those reminders. Okay. So your client will be paying you fast and your boss will be happy. So you are collecting your debtors on time. Payment received. Recurring invoices. What recurring invoices is like when we have some relationship with client where every month we need to raise 50,000 rupees invoice, 30,000 rupees invoice every month on first. We have some recurring engagement. Okay, for 1 year contract. So in that case, what happens? We are busy. We forget to raise an invoice, and we are getting delayed payment. So instead, why don't create a recurring invoice every month? Invoice will be going on first of every month for rupees, let's say 30,000 or maybe 50,000. You can create recurring invoices. This will help you a lot in getting your payments faster. Then credit note. What is this credit note? Credit note is sales return part. Okay, so it's a sales return part. We can record here, and then this is all about sales module. This is a complete flow. First you add customers, then quotation, then delivery challan, then invoice, then payment link, payment received, and sales return. This is a complete flow. Okay, which we call order to payment. Sometimes we call it as order to payment. Okay, in case of purchase, we call it as procure to pay process, P2P process. Okay, in sales, we call it as order to cash process. So now in purchase part, it's the same again. Add your vendors. I'm not going to show how to add a vendor. It's very simple. It's just like form filling. Just click here on new, add your company name, add your vendors data. Okay, add all your vendors data here, and you can do that. Okay, if you want to select another currency, if your vendor is from another country, then if you are taking suppliers from another country, you can select that. Okay, similarly, after adding vendors, you can add bills. Okay, maybe you are getting bills from multiple places, lawyer's bill, printing stationery bill, any kind of bill you will be getting every month, or maybe frequently, or maybe once in a time. Whatever bills you are getting, you can record all these bills here. Okay, all these bills you can record here, and even you can just click here, add vendors detail, fill bill number, scroll down and select proper account, like this bill is relating to what you have purchased, furniture, or you have purchased what you need to provide. Is it an advertising bill? Is it a consultant bill? What kind of bill it is? It is an electricity bill. So you need to select that and then fill the information, click on save as open, and that's it. Okay, so there's also separate section like expense and bill. You can ask like, what is the difference between expense and bill? So expense are those things which we pay instantly and we don't get bill. Like if we go to petrol pump and if you want to fill petrol, so we immediately pay there. There is a no service like we pay later. In petrol pump we go, we get a refill our petrol and then we pay instantly. When we book auto rickshaw or e-rickshaw, we pay instantly. We don't manage vendor account, or we don't manage vendor statement over there. Okay, so in that case, you can record all those expenses there. Okay, expenses where we don't maintain vendor statement or something like that where we pay instantly. But if you want to maintain proper vendor statement, go here and record your vendors here. Okay, go there and record. You can generate vendor statement and each and everything here. Okay, so again, this is a difference between expenses and bill part. You can record expenses also, purchase order also. Once you get a bill, you can record the payments. After once you get a bill, after that you need to make a payment. So record all your payments here, and you can also map. You need to map all those payments into your banking also. Yes, and I hope this is the and this is again last vendor credit is purchase return. Vendor credit is nothing. It's like words are different, but it is a purchase return. Okay, so you can record all your purchase return here, and then you can generate e-way bills from directly from Zoho Books if you are moving goods more than 50,000 from one place to another place. You can set up your e-way bill account. Okay, you already have separate e-way bill portal. You can connect e-way bill portal here. All these settings and everything are mentioned here. If you will just follow the instruction, you can do that. Now, best part is GST filing. You can directly file GST return from Zoho Books. You can directly file GST return from Zoho Books, and IMS and all those things are also available. You can make GST payment. You can create annual return. You can do GSTR 1 or 3B filing. You can just click on push data, and whatever data is there into your accounting software will be automatically pushed into your GST portal. How do you manage your GST right now? Can anyone tell me how do you manage GST? Yes. Yes. How do you manage your GST filing currently? You upload JSON, or maybe use software like Compute TDS or Clear Tax, or maybe any other software. Yes, using platform Clear Tax, Compute TDS. When multiple softwares are there, right? So you can, instead of that, what you can do, you can directly upload or push data from here. Okay, you don't have to use multiple software. Just directly push data from here. Just let me show you my screen once again. Yes, through cloud. Yeah. So directly you can configure, you can integrate both the account softwares like Zoho Books as well as uh, GST portal. GST portal you can configure, and once configuration is done, directly click here on push data. All transaction will be pushed to GST portal. Okay, and now next part is, after GST you can do GSTR 1 or 3B filing. Everything you can do here, and then accountant module, you can pass manual journal entries. You can create chart of accounts. Okay, chart of accounts, you can create any chart of account. You can add, like it is relating to cash, intangible asset, or whatever it is. Just provide the name and you can add chart of accounts, and then you can add those accounts. You can create budgets directly. You can create budgets. I've seen people, business owners, what they do, they create budget in separate Excel file. But instead of maintaining those extra Excel file, why don't we create budget in our accounting software? We provide all the estimated figures, and then automatically it will match with our actual expenditure, and then we can see what are the deviations and all those things. You can run transaction locking. Fixed asset register is new module given by Zoho, where you can manage or track all your fixed assets. You can track all your fixed assets. Then reporting part. Okay, in reporting part, you can see profit and loss, balance sheet as per Schedule 3. Okay, you can see your P&L account as per Schedule 3. Even you can edit account mapping. You can map your P&L as per your requirement. Okay, let's say if I want to map bank fees and charges in other expense, I can do that as I want to do. Like you can see, I can do all this account mapping. Can you see that? Yes. So you can create your P&L account. You can also share this P&L account. with key managerial personnel all over. Like you can also do customization and everything. Okay, period wise, month wise, year wise, everything you can do it. You can create balance sheet. Okay, cash flow statement, business performance ratio, GP ratio, operating ratio, net profit ratio, everything is available. If you go down, you can have multiple reports. You can do cash flow forecasting. Yes, you can check sales reports, sales by customer, sales by every, like you can see inventory reports. AR, you can see receivables report, AR aging summary, AR aging detail, everything. You can see payment receipt details. You can see vendors payment balance, AP aging summary, AP aging detail, everything is there. Okay. Taxes report, TDS report. You can see TDS report as well. GST 3B summary. Okay. Journal ledger, trial balance, journal report, budget versus actual, realized gain, unrealized gain. Okay, you can see everything. Audit trail feature is also there, and there are a lot of automations. Lot of automations available. Workflow rules, workflow. You can do customization. Okay, these are some advanced things for business owners who are having a lot of big requirement. They can do customization also. So customization is also popular, and you can integrate with other Zoho apps. You can integrate with Zoho CRM, Zoho Begin. Maybe you are aware about it, or maybe you don't know about the other apps, but you can integrate with other Zoho apps as well. So any questions till this point? Because yes, any questions till this point? Yeah. Any questions you can ask?
So Gautam raised the hand. Gautam, you can
Yes.
please unmute.
Hi. Hello, Kunal.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Gautam.
Hi. You're going great. The reporting automation that you just talked about was super.
Hmm.
But what I wanted to ask is that whether we can automate the interest charging in case of delayed payments by the client. So a lot of times, what client does is they pay delayed in respect of the invoice. So
And you
whether
want to, or you want to include interest automatically, and you want to charge, you
yes,
want to raise an invoice automatically and then send those
yeah.
invoices.
And what I want is that the interest is charged automatically, and then you show the online payment link. That
Hmm.
interest is reflected on the online payment pre-filled, and the
Hmm.
client has to pay the interest, like
Okay.
something like that sort.
So possibility, I can't say it's not there. By
Mhm.
default, this feature is not there, but we need to look around, like if something can be built through customization and through some configuration. But by default, if you talk about it, automatic interest charge, because you need some custom modification in that. Right now,
You're
this
right.
feature, yeah, this feature by default is not there. But if we bring some Zoho developer and do some customization, so possibilities are there.
Okay, so there are possibilities that we can customize Zoho as per our requirements.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so I can take next question. I have also received few questions from you guys. Like, would you like me to discuss those questions, or if you want to, you can unmute and ask your questions here.
Yes. So thank you, sir, for such an insightful and a hands-on session on Zoho Books. From sharing your free access link to practically guiding us through account setup, every step you made clear and beginner friendly. Your live demo turned a complex tool into something we can confidently explore and use. Thank you for empowering us with practical knowledge in such an engaging way. And I want response from audience also. Each and every one of you, if you have truly enjoyed this session and found this insightful, I want every one of you to hit a thumbs up or a love symbol on your emoji, like love emoji on your screens. I want response from the audience. Yes, I could see a few emojis right now. Wonderful to see that energy from our lovely audience. And this is your moment where curiosity meets the expertise. It's time for questions. We have received few questions from audience, sir. Let's quickly start with that questionnaire.
Yeah, you can ask questions and I'll be responding one by one.
Yes, sir. First question that we received from our audience is, what is Zoho Books and how it is different from traditional accounting software like Tally or SAP?
Okay, so if you talk about how it is different from traditional accounting software, first thing is it is a cloud-based accounting software. You can also say Tele is also cloud or BC is also cloud. Yes, by doing some customization, you can make it on cloud. But by default, ZoBooks is a cloud-based, and there are 45 other apps also. Okay, like if you talk about Zoho CRM, Zoho campaign, in each and every area, sales, marketing, operations, you have multiple apps. So in business, we don't only see accounting. I have seen business owner, for sales they are using different app, for marketing they are using different app, for accounting they are using different app, for operation again they are using different app. So why don't we use one application and use one application for each and everything? So Zoho can give you that solution.
That is a clear differentiation between the terms, sir. And the
Yeah.
next question we have received from Nandini, how can we migrate our data from Tally to Zoho Books without losing important financial records?
Okay, so there are two ways to import data from Tele to Zobooks. One is whether you would like to import all the previous transaction into Zobooks, or you just want to import opening balance. Okay, so like for example, lot of people migrate their accounting software on 1st April. Why they do that? Because they just take closing trial balance and import into the new accounting software, and that's it. But now if you migrate in between, like right now we are on in the month of June, so you need to migrate all 6 months data, and if your management require all previous data also, then you need to do some exercise. You need to import customer master, vendor master, sales invoices, purchase bills, opening balance. So that require some efforts. Obviously, if as a consultant anyone will do that, will charge for it additionally. So that totally depends how much transactions are there. Are there 1,000 transactions or 1,000 transactions or 1 lakh transactions you need to import? Whether it is a one branch, multiple branch, or 5 branch, how many branches you are importing? So that totally depends. But process is import customer master, vendor master, opening balance, each and everything step by step.
Great explanation, sir. And next question we have from the chat box from Saumyadeep. His question is Zoho good for inventory management of manufacturing account with dynamic pricing?
So right now, if I talk about, there is no manufacturing module or production module available. I have not seen, but yes, manufacturers are using it by doing lot of customization. So customization is available, but if you talk about production module, manufacturing module, that is not there in Zoho Books.
And the other question from Saumyadeep itself, can you give a bird eye video on Zoho versus Logic versus Tally? Why should I switch specifically to Zoho?
I'm not aware about this Logic. Is it an accounting software? Logic? I'm not aware about this Logic. I can tell you about Zoho and Tally. I think I have cleared that.
Saumyadeep, you can directly unmute yourself and talk to sir.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. It's also an ERP.
Yeah.
If you can also give a comparison on what specifically should I look for, if because changing from one software to another takes like all the resources to shift. So in order to take that decision, what factors should I consider before switching? Specifically that.
So first of all, you need to check in what kind of business or industry you are, okay, and you should select or choose accounting software that can help you in your industry or your niche. Okay, so if you talk about Zoho is good for service industry, Zoho is good for trading industry. I'll not say much about manufacturing because production module is not there, but yes, if you talk about service industry, trading industry, it's good for that. And why you should move, I have already given reasons. Like there are other apps also to help you, to support you, to play, to right. It's a, you can accommodate bigger requirement also in Zoho. Okay, right now you are small business owner, you are growing. So if you reach right now, let's say you are at 1 crore, then you need then you reach at 10 cr, then you reach at 100 cr. So it totally depends where you are standing. If you reach at 100, 200, 5000 cr, obviously you need to install SAP and big accounting software. But if you are growing for MSME, all these people, Zoho, I can say, is a best platform.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Before diving into the next question, I would like to make a small announcement. I already made this at the beginning of the session, but I would like to remind again. We have a small surprise for you straight from our speaker's end. Sir is generously offering a free course to a selected set of participants. And if you want to receive this free course, receive the access for this free course, and if you want to receive the certificate of participation for this insightful webinar, please stay tuned because we'll be releasing a small Google form at the end of the meet. So stay tuned. Let's continue with the next question, sir.
Yeah.
And the next question is from Sairam from Vijayawada.
Hmm.
How can Zoho Books help generate insightful reports like cash flow, income statements, and expense summaries?
Yeah, I've already shared. When we go to report part, you can see all the reports like P&L, balance sheet, cash flow forecasting. You can generate all the reports. But if you need further customization, then there is a Zoho Analytics. It's another tool. You can use that to create customized report. If you want to create some customized report, go and check Zoho Analytics. But by default, 40, 50 types of report already there in Zoho report section, and that can help you a lot.
Other question from the same person, Sairam from Vijayawada. How do we manage GST and TDS properly within Zoho Books for Indian accounting standards?
Okay, so you can for to manage GST, there is a proper GST module. From there, you can file GSTR1, GSTR3B, and annual GST return. And you can also see IMS thing is also available in this Zoho platform. For TDS filing, you can generate TDS report, but directly you can't file TDS directly from Zoho Books. Maybe later Zoho will come up with some kind of solution from which you can directly file TDS return. But yes, you can report all the TDS report and file your TDS returns like 26Q and 24, like all the salary, non-salary TDS return. You can file from your account tax software.
It was a clear, crisp answer, sir. And the next question comes from the audience of this webinar. From Charan Teja, can we use Zoho Books simultaneously by multiple people at the same time?
You can, yeah, you can. You need to buy a user license. Okay, like if you go to Zoho website, there's a complete pricing listing over there, like which plan you want to go, like free plan, standard plan, or maybe higher plan. So in standard plan, you get 3 users. In higher plan, you can have more users, 5 users, 10 users, and you can add up further users. So as per the user requirement, you can scale up and buy pricing and everything. You can do that.
Yes, sir. Next question from Suhas. Does it have a payroll processing option?
If you want to have proper payroll processing, you need to check Zoho Payroll. There is a separate application, Zoho Payroll. If you have 10 employees, 20 employees, 50 employees in your organization, and you want to generate Form 16, salary slip, each and everything, investment record, then you need to go and check Zoho Payroll. Zoho Books is not a dedicated payroll processing software.
I think Charan Teja and Suhas, your queries are solved. And the next question we have from Kalia Dakwa. Can I use Zoho Books for manufacturing and non-profit organizations?
Yeah, you need to explore about the manufacturing because I have already shared production module. I can't see there. Okay, but you can do some customization. If that is helpful for you, you can see that. But yes, I have seen a lot of people from non-profit industry or NGO, NPO industry. They are using Zoho Books and maintaining all the donations, maintaining all the employee expense and everything. So for NGO, it's good. You can go for that.
Yes, sir. Next question is from Fanindra from Guntur. And the question is, what are some underutilized or advanced features in Zoho Books that give a competitive edge?
So it's all about Zoho Analytics. Okay, you have the Zoho Analytics. from where you can generate powerful reports. For example, I am having a company in US and having subsidiary company in India, and I want to check one report of my all group company. Let's say Hindustan Unilever is there in India, in other countries also, but I'm not talking about Hindustan Unilever particularly right now. But let's say if I have a company in US, subsidiary company in India, and I want to see consolidated report, so you can use powerful feature of Zoho Analytics and see consolidated report. So all these things are there. These things you can say not yet explored, and a lot of things still like Zia feature, like if I talk to Zia, there is it's a artificial bot or something like that. If I talk to Zia, what is my sales, what is my highest selling product, what is my budget, everything Zia will be answering.
Yes, sir, that was very concise and well articulated. Next question is from Lasya Sri Saugandhika, and the question goes like, how is Zoho Books helpful in improving customer service through accounting processes?
If you talk about customer service, we can do reconciliation automated. Like if I am having 10 customers, I can open customer portal. So each and every customer can see his own portal. So that can increase, customer can provide us rating also of our business on that portal. So you can do customer portal, create, take customer reviews directly from Zoho. So that is the best thing you can do and increase your customer experience.
It was truly elucidative, sir. And the next question comes from Madhuteja Lankalpalli from Vijayawada. And the question goes, are the skills taught in the webinar applicable to global entities or only Indian businesses?
Can you please just repeat?
I'd like to repeat the question. Are the skills taught in the webinar applicable to global entities or only Indian businesses?
It's for everyone, like whether you are Indian professional, whether you are global professional, because Zoho Books is everywhere. In US also, it's an Indian edition. Right now we are talking about Zoho Books Indian edition. But yes, Zoho is also there in Middle East like Dubai. Zoho is also there in US also. Zoho is also there in London, UK. So yeah, it's for all of us, whether you are Indian professional, whether you are having entity or something presence in other countries also.
Other question from the same person. Can AI tools make accounting even easier? And does Zoho Books have any fraud detection or small analytics capabilities?
Yes, definitely AI will help us. And if you talk about detections, like we cannot add duplicate invoices. Okay, if we are trying to add a duplicate vendor bills, so it will show like why you are doing it. And there is an audit trail feature. If you delete something, if you add something, everything is being tracked. If I'm any, and you can also control Zoho Books like user roles, everything you can control that. Okay, users roles, what kind of access you want to give, like how much restriction I want to give. So all these things can be possible.
It is a comprehensive explanation, sir. And the next question is, how much time is realistically needed to learn and get confident using Zoho Books?
So if you talk about it, you have already seen it's not a very difficult thing. Okay, so if you, it's just you get one or two client, or maybe you start using it in your office, so it will hardly take 2 to 3 weeks, I believe. Okay, so it will hardly take, since you all are from accounting profession, if you can manage Tally, then within a 2 to 3 weeks, I can say you can learn Zoho Books. It's not that much difficult.
Any questions right now from audience? You can just please post in the chat box. Sir is ready to answer the questions. And you can also raise the hand for getting unmuted. Yes. And the next question is, how can one confidently explain accounting tools like Zoho Books during interviews to stand out?
It's just about practice. Once you manage one or two clients, then only you can answer confidently. Okay, in office or something, you should explore, you create an account, do all these things by your hands-on experience, then only you will become confident. It's just by doing.
Yes, sir, I agree, because practice is the one-stop solution for everything.
Yes.
And the next question is from Krishna, and the question is, does learning Zoho Books enhance job opportunities, especially for freshers and interns?
Yes, definitely. It gives you USP, I'll say, because right now, if you see from last 20, 30 years, all accountants are there in market. They are very much, and telemarket is quite mature and they are very much familiar. And if business owner is trying to implement Zoho, they need people who are well versed with this Zoho books and everything. So this is right now people who know Zoho books, they are in huge shortage. So you can learn these skills and make yourself unique, and don't run in rat race. Instead, make yourself unique. You will be paid higher from others people.
Yes, sir. I think all the queries are solved. Any other queries, you can please post in the chat box. You have handled all the questions very well, sir, and the way you articulated the answers, I truly love the way you have answered all the questions. Thank you so much once again, sir. And
Thank
it's the
you.
time,
Yeah.
and it's the time all of you are waiting for. It's the time for quiz. To fill out today's quiz and stand a chance to be featured as the quiz winner, now I would like to, I will share a small link, and every one of you please answer the quiz questions, and it's your time to get featured on our platforms. Informative garage stream. Karthikeya, you can please post the quiz link. Yeah. The link is already displayed in the chat box. You can go ahead. All the very best to every one of you.
Your voice is not audible, Saito.
We are getting myriad responses from this link. Everyone, those who have not attended, I request everyone to join the quiz. This is your chance to get platform, to get featured on the wonderful platforms of Informative Garage. So till then, can I have a small chat with you? Can you please share your experience on this webinar today? How was
Yes,
your experience?
it's a wonderful. I can see people from multiple places joining and showing their engagement in chat box, and I can see they really would like to know about this Zoho books and cloud-based modern accounting software. And I can see the level of queries also. It means they are doing something in Zoho, would like to grow. So I'm really impressed by the audience and everyone, and from Karthikeya, Sahitya, everyone for taking this initiative and helping people to become more aware, so that they can get good job or maybe they can earn better. And this is the overall agenda. I believe our purpose to help a lot of people, and this is, yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Your feedback truly helps us a lot, and we are very happy to hear from you. And I think all the audience, each and every one of them, found this session very insightful. They loved talking to you and asking the questions, engaging. Everything was good. Thank you so much once again, sir.
Thank you very much.
I think everyone are submitting your responses for this quiz. And next, to win the participation certificate, I request everyone to fill the other Google form. Only then you can access the free course provided by today's guest of honor. And also, if you fill that form, you would be awarded a participation certificate. So please fill your name, mail ID correctly, and drop all your responses in that form. Informative Garage team had already posted the form link as well. A heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for being a part of today's webinar. Your time, attention, and participation truly made this session meaningful and engaging. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Let's keep learning, growing until next time. And I also thank a special mention to Karthikeya, Sairam, Fanindra, Saumyadeep, Madhuteja, Lasya, and all the team of Informative Garage for hosting such insightful webinars. Stay tuned because we're gonna share the winners of the quiz right now that you have attempted. You'll be getting the winners list within a few minutes. So please stay until it's completed. Till then, if any one of you are interested in sharing the feedback of today's session, you can please raise your hand, unmute yourself and talk, or you can drop the the views, your views in the comment section. Yes, Divya, you can please. Divya Santoshi Chintala.
Yes, you can unmute yourself, Divya.
Divya, you can unmute yourself, please. Yeah, we can see the comment section also. Bhavna, and then Rinki, Divya, Manjunath. Very insightful and informative session. This session is awesome. Thank you, Ella, to join further. We are literally getting wonderful responses from the audience right now. Divya, Divya, you want to talk something? Thank you so much, Soumyadeep. Your feedback truly means a lot to us. Then we have already announced the winners list. A big shout out to our brilliant winners, Soumyadeep, Manjunath, and Anasingaraju Joshita. Congratulations to three of you. And winners, I request three of you to please drop a message to Karthikeya to claim your certificate and to get featured on informative garage platforms. Thank you so much once again. The recording of this session shall be shared on a respective YouTube channel and the other platforms of Informative Garage. So please, the ones who have missed the session, you can get the access of the session there on YouTube and also the other platforms of our Informative Garage. I request every one of you to once on your video so that we could have a group pic. Whoever have the access to on their videos, I request every one of you to please on your video cam so that we can take a small group pic. Kunal sir, can you please on your video as well?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, thank you for accepting our request and taking a session, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It was really nice.
Yes, all the participants will be getting the certificate once you have filled the form that we have shared you in the comments in the comment section. You please go through that, fill the form, and you'll be receiving a certificate of participation. Kartikeya, shall we end the session?
Yes.
Done. Thank you so much. Signing off, Moray Venkata Sahitya along with Informative Garage team.